Welcome back to a new Zara haul, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. Guys, the first items I will be sharing is this amazing blazer dress. Look at the gorgeous of this blazer. It's very elegant, it's very season appropriate. Green is the color, it's in every way, it's in everything, bag, shoe, just name it. I decided to pick this blazer just to give this color a try so that I can see the way it look on my skin tone. A blazer dress is evergreen, it's a classic pieces. I think with a brown boot, black boots, this number here, I can't go wrong. What I love about blazer dress is that if you just make it put together, we just elevate your presence instantly. You don't need to do too much. With a light carmine, a thick carmine, green, black, just name it. You can even decide to do a combo with your pairs of shoe and bag with carmine. With this type of number, you are ready to go. And the fact that it's a one piece, so you are ready to go. I just love the length. Look at it. A blazer dress is evergreen, and the fact that this green is very season appropriate, I will say you can't go wrong. I just love the gorgeous. Just look at the details of the button. I think this type of number is something that you need to style all over again. Although if you are somebody that is shying away to style it as a dress, you can still style it as just a blazer. You can add your leggings, your jeans, your skirt, or your jeans. Personally, I love styling this type of number with denim. I think they look very put together, very polished and chic. I love the elegance and the class. I think this type of number you can go. Personally, I decided to size up because I have intention to style it as a dress, so you can also decide to go to your true size or size down, because I'm not a fan of a blazer if it's too restrictive. So depends on your sense of fashion, you will take the size in consideration because it's already a little bit oversized. But since I have intention to style it as a dress all over again, so I decided to size up. Look at how amazing it is. I think this type of number you can go wrong. Even this type of number, you can add any floral details of green skirt you have at home. With this type of number, you will take it to the next level. So let me know what you think about these green items. I think it's just a way to add inch of color to your wardrobe, but at the same time without overdoing it. With a total black outfit, a black coat, a black pair of heels with a black bag, you are ready to go. I really love it, the way you look on my skin tone. Guys, the second items I will be sharing is this amazing number. Look at the details on the waistline. The fact that you can tie it on the waistline, you can really decide the way you can stitch it in. I will say this plus, because if you have like my body type, you know that any dress that have this calming effect is plus. You always make you look very tasteful, very put together, and very elegant. Let me show you. You have these details of the button, so you can unbutton it, you can button it. So it depends on your sense of fashion. I just love the elegance and the class. I think this type of number you can go wrong. Look at the hands. I will say Zara, well done. I just love the elegance for your evening out, for business, for work. Depends on the price of shoe you are going to add to it. You will decide the destination. I love having this type of classic, elegant pieces in my wardrobe because it's something that when you have anywhere to go, a black dress is everything. It's something that looks nice in everybody's type. And the fact that you have this button-down calming effect on the neckline, it will just make your neck look very put together, very polished and elegant. I just love this sophisticated. And you have that this thick material. I don't know if you can be able to see it. Look at the details. It's very soft and gentle to the skin. I will say the length, look at the length on me. It's very beautiful. So it's something that with a little bit calming, you can still style it to work because the length is very lovely. It's not all over the place. With your tights, you are ready to go. Or with your ankle boot or over knee boot, depends on the way you love styling your dress. I would say a black little dress is something that you need in your wardrobe. It's evergreen and it's very autumn winter appropriate, and the price is not all over the place. I just love the elegance. I would say size up or go to your true size. Personally, I decided to size up because I carry most of my weight in my waist area. I didn't want it, since it's a thick material, I didn't want it to look funny on my body type because I decided to go to my true size. It still look nice, but I just prefer the effect, the way it look when I size up. When I size up, just make it look very expensive. I would say this type of items, take it into consideration, just give it a try. You might decide to size up or to size down, depends on your body type. You will look better. But personally, for my body type, when I size up, it just take everything to the next level. You will think that it's a brand that is even more higher than Zara. You will see it on the counter. This dress is must have for this autumn winter. Guys, talking about elegance, class, look at the number I have here. Look at these elegant pieces. This leather is the most softest leather I've ever touched. is very nice. I will say Zara, bravo. This number here, wow. And if you are a cool babe, I will say just pass Zara, just try it and leave me comment below. Let me know what you think. It's amazing. This number here, if you are somebody like me, it will contour your jollof rice issue. Nobody will know that you have finished a plate of jollof rice. This number here is amazing. Look at the details, look at the cutter. It's amazing. I have other leather skirt, but I don't have anything like this. I just love the details of the ruche here. It's amazing. It's very chic, very put together. Those days that you don't want to overdo it, but you want to look very polished and expensive, with a black jumper, a black boots, black coat, you are ready to go. This number here will take your classic old jumper you have been styling since 4 years, 3 years to the next level. Just imagine this number here. It's very elegant. I will say go to your true size or size up, because it does not have any freedom on the waistline, so it's the ruche is very detailed. So personally, I decided to size up. I just prefer the fit when I'm sizing up, because as I said, it's a leather skirt, so I didn't want anything that would be giving gappy. You know the way leather look, it can look funny when it's tight. So I decided to size up, and I love the fit and then the elegance. And if you're searching for a black skirt that's going to contour your stomach area, I will say give this number a try. It's very chic and bougie. Guys, since we are talking about winter, autumn, I've bought this skirt in the white one. I decided to pick it in black because I just love it. You know that it's a little bit heavyweight, so you just contour the stomach area. I love that type of items that is not judgmental to your body. Those are things that you can wear, you can still eat, you can still breathe. I think it's very important. Taking fashion to practice, I think it's very important. And I decided to pick the matching jumper because I just love the fit. Although you can pick the skirt or the jumper, depends on your sense of fashion, but I love both of them together with over-knee boots. I think it's something that looks very elegant and chic. It's just a way to look very stylish, but at the same time you can keep things easy. You can also decide to add a sneakers, so it depends on your weather, depends on your season, so it depends on the way you feel. Personally, I love styling it up or styling it down, so it depends on the destination. When I'm going for shopping with a sneakers, I'm ready to go. When I'm going for evening out with a pair of heel, I can take this number to the next level, and it's very chic and it's true size. I would say this particular number, don't size up, go to your true size or size down. I decided to size down on the skirt because it was just too gappy, and the blacks I decided to take it in medium. I think they look very nice. And if you're somebody that prefers items that are a little bit restrictive, I will say size down because it's very elasticated and comfortable. And if you are searching for those jumper outfits that will make you put together, that will keep you warm but at the same time very comfortable, I will say give this number a try. I just love the class and the elegance. Guys, since we are talking about autumn winter, look at the number I have here. Although this number is sleeveless, but it's a little bit heavyweight. I hope I'm able to show you. And I just love the elegance, the length is huge on me. So if you are a tall babe, this number will still work on you. And if you are like my height, with a pair of heel, with your boots, you are ready to go. I love this type of number that I can really play with. I can style it up, I can style it down. With your coat, with your blazer, you are ready to go. Look at the number, and it's very elasticated, so you can go to your true size. I hope I'm able to show. Just look at the color. The color is what caught my attention, but when I touch it, I know that I need it in my wardrobe. It's very soft. It's just like a sponge, like really, and it have this deep hand. I hope you're able to see it. So if you have any black body or any white body, you can decide to add it to it. But personally, I have intention to style it blazer and coat. I think they look very put together. Or those days that you just want a simple outfit, massive dress with your sneakers, with your coat, with your big bag, with your glass, you are ready to go. I love this type of items that I can really style up. I can style. I hope I'm able to show you. It's huge, it's massive. So go to your true size or size down on this particular number, and the price point is amazing. It's not all over the place, and it will keep you warm. I would say this type of classic number, you can go wrong. Guys, look at the gorgeous number I have here. Look at this number, look at the neckline, look at the handle. I love this type of massive dress. Look at this number. I would say with your brown coat, even or your brown blazer, like the number I'm wearing now, I think you will look put together. Any brown boots you have at home, this number will take it to the next level. Yeah, and let me show you. And it's very elasticated, so it's something that you take in consideration because I'm a cook babe, so I need something that have space that is very elasticated. I don't love items when it's falling on me, it's too restrictive. I don't like it. I love wearing my items. I will still look nice, elegant, at the same time having the comfort, I think is something is plus. Look at this number, is amazing, and this is something that you have interest for. Zara have it in black and blue. I was searching for the blue, but I didn't see my size. I think the navy blue is amazing because I have amazing navy blue coat in my collection. I think the blue one will goes with that one. Where I think this number here, personally, I'm trying to style it with my brown coat, my brown berets. I think they will look very, very nice. I think this type of number you can't go wrong. Just look at both of them together. I hope I'm able to show you. For the length point, I will say this number here is, you just look at the difference. I hope I'm able to show you the length. I love this type of items, although they are very, very casual, but sometimes those items that you are going for evening out, you don't know what to wear, with a pair of brown hair, a blazer, you are ready to go. I love this type of number because it's very, very lady, very girly items, but at the same time, for daily time, you can just add any leather jacket with your sneakers, you are ready to go. I think this type of number, even on a cozy day with your tights, you are ready to go. And for size reference, Zara put it ML. So they have this thing about this dress that is ML or SM, so it depends on your sense of fashion, but I decided to pick this ML, and it's very, very elasticated. So if you are somebody that love items that are very, very restrictive, I will say size down. I will say if you are searching for a button down silk dress that look very, very nice and the length is very appropriate, I will say give this number a try. I hope I'm able to show you. The length is what I love. This type of number, just imagine yourself with this jumper, you are ready to go. I love this type of items because you can style it with neutral jumper, white jumper, black jumper, just name it. I love this type of items because it's very, very elegant and chic. And for those days that it's a little bit warm, with your coat, you are ready to go. And the length is amazing. And you have these details of body button. I just love it. And Zara have it up to XXL, although I pick it in L. So if you are somebody that needs more size, you can still see your size. I think it's very, very lovely. I just love the elegance and the class. Personally, I have intention to style it with gold necklace, with overknee boot, with my coat and my black bag. I'm ready to go. Or for evening art, with your clutch and your pairs of sandals and your coat, you will take this number to the next level. I just love the elegance and the fact that it's very, very classic and beautiful. And if you have those Zara leather skirts that you have those button down things, you can still use it as an accessory. I love this type of items because you have different ways to style this type of number. It's something that you can really, really play with. Or if you have those oversized jumper on it, this number here, you will take it to the next level. I just love the floral. I think it looks very, very chic and bougie, and the fact that the length is very, very appropriate. If you are searching for a button down dress that you can style to work, I would say give this number a try. I hope you're able to see it on my body. The length is amazing, so it's not gappy, it's not short, so it won't look funny on your body. So I would say go to your true size or size up. But personally, I try to take it in large, and the size is very, very perfect on me. Guys, let me know what you think about these pieces I pick in Zara. I try to pick pieces that's going to elevate my outfit, elevate my presence instantly. I think this type of pieces, you need it in your wardrobe. It's very, very autumn winter appropriate. It's elegant, it's chic, it's something that you can wear to work and wear to different destinations. So it depends on the shoe or the bag or the way you are going to be styling it. And if you want to see other haul from me, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me comment below. I will take in consideration. I love reading your comment. Don't forget to support my channel and subscribe, and you are very welcome. My name is Owa.